Hi friends, today I am going to tell about how to reverse a string. There are different methods to reverse a string in Python. First we have to create a string. Okay. And first I am tell about to reverse a string using extended slice method. Okay. And the syntax of extended slice method is square bracket begin full colon end full colon step. Okay, this is the syntax of extended slice method. And here if you're leaving begin and end off and only specify the value step for -1, it will reverse the string. Okay, I will show you. Here our string is hi friends, and using extended slice method I am going to reverse the string. The name of the string square bracket double full colon -1. Here the string is reversed. Okay, firstly using extended slice method we can reverse the string. Next I am going to tell about another method, reversed method. Okay, first I am going to, we already create a string hi friends, and I am going to reverse the string using reversed method. Okay, one variable equal dot join bracket reversed the name of the string. Okay, then print that variable. Here look at here, the string is also reversed. Okay, and here I am using reversed and join methods for reversing a string. Next I am tell about another method. Using list we can reverse a string. Okay, our string is hi friends, and first I am going to convert this string to a list. To list. Okay, list, this is a list, and next I am going to reverse this list using reverse method in list. Okay, name of the list dot reverse. Then I am going to print the list, our list. Look at here, the list is reversed. This is only a list. We want to reverse a string, so that I am going to join this list. Okay, okay, dot join in bracket the name of the list and print that variable. Here the string is reversed. Okay, in Python we can reverse a string using extended slice method and there is another method using join and reverse method, and also using list we can also reverse a string. Okay, understand? Thank you.